Hey, thank you. Breakfast of champions right there. Couple Snickers in the morning, boys. Whee! I guess that's how you know that your customers think you do a decent job, buddy. They keep you fed, they keep you watered, okay? Oh, look at this. See, even the co-pilot gets fed out here, boys. That's right. It's a 455 big block right there. Blue glove right there on it. Frick. Partially naked. Look at this. This is just like your average Canada day right here. People brushing off cars, guys shoveling, guys almost slamming plow rigs into the back of Toyota Corollas. Everything you can imagine. Panhandle is out, strong and abundant. He said, how you, what did he say? I think he said, how do you do? How do you do? Fuck boy, you can see how I do. Plow. Everybody forgets how to drive as soon as the friggin' snow hits. Except for me, boys, that's when I thrive. That's when I come to life. The wheel comes to life. Rick Quick, Dick Fast, back with another PSA, boys, Plowman Service announcement. Today, I'm going to discuss windrowing a little bit. Now, windrowing, it's a lot like being a blind man in a brothel, okay? You're just going to have to feel it out in order to get that sweet spot where you want to be, buddy. Because guess what? Every snowfall's different. You can't windrow from the same spot on the plow in 4 inches of snow as you're going to in a foot of snow. Well, you could, but guess what? You wouldn't be optimizing efficiency, and I'm all about optimizing efficiency, boys. It's basic and it's simple. So when you get in there, you get to windrow, and like I say, take a few runs and feel it out. You're going to find out what's going on awfully quick. It's just like when you leave the house on a snowy morning. What's the first thing you do? Slam the brakes, boys. You got to do a brake check, see how far you slide. Otherwise, you're not going to know how hard you can push the rig. You're not going to know what the conditions are. And trust me, conditions differ in every storm. So if you're not testing, you're not optimizing, boys. Simple as that. Now, once you get into windrowing, the thing is, if you got to combine speed with technique and skill, okay? So you got to be going the right speed based on your plow angle in order to shoot that snow as far off as physically possible based on physics, okay? So how I do it is feel it out, discover what's working. You're going to have 1 or 2 times you'll have to go back, clean up a bit, but that's fine, boys. This is life. Life's a little bit of cleanup involved here and there. I'll run a sequence, so don't let these shots dislocate your eyes. Cheers. Well, check her out, boys. This is what happens when you leave salt in your spreader on a cold night. Yeah, we got real busy the other day. I ended up not needing the truck for a couple days. Was doing other stuff. I left this in here, minus 19 overnight. She went full Chevrolet on us, boys. Like a rock. Ian's gonna hop in there, give it the old chisel fest, ain't you, Ian? Riding pirate. Yeah, so barely ever do any pre-salting. The only time we really do any pre-salting is if I got a sander load of frozen salt. Then needs to be chipped away and broke down somewhere, so I just go out to the properties after hours when nobody's around. and we chip it away and we get rid of her here. That way I'm not wasting a nickel, and all the material that I've paid for is going to my customers, because I like to keep happy customers, boys. Scale of 1 to 10, how much you like a frozen sander?
7.
Hey! That's an optimistic guy right there. Well, that's about it, lads. We ended up visiting like 3-4 properties, and we just spread that out on the wet lots and laid it in the puddles. Make sure you give us a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more. Till next time.